this video, I'm gonna teach you how to unblur a picture in your S24 Ultra. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. As you can see, I took these very blurry pictures of my controller. If you took a picture of a specific object, if you took a picture of you and a couple of friends, if there is a face on a picture, you will be able to use an official tool developed by Samsung to unblur those pictures. So it works with any picture. And while your results may vary, it is super easy to do, so I would still recommend that you try it out. In order to acquire this tool, you have to go over to the Samsung store. You have to look for Galaxy Enhance X. So it is available on the official Samsung store under the name Galaxy Enhance-X. So as you can see, it is going to be this application. So download it from the official Samsung store, and when you open it up, immediately you will be presented with the feature to remove blur. They will also showcase some other features here, see colors in HDR, erase shadows, and so on. I'm going to skip this, and as long as you give it full file permission like this, you will be able to edit your specific picture. Now, once you are inside of the app, choose the option to select a picture or a video and choose the specific one that you want to try the unblur feature on. I'm gonna choose this one. The middle one is a little bit way too blurry. So when you choose any picture available on your gallery, go over to this third option here, and you will find Fix Blur. So it is this little band-aid icon. Choose the Fix Blur option, and automatically it is going to try to fix the picture for you. So you can clearly notice a difference as I change this line around. Look at the details on those buttons, especially the D-pad. If the image is simply way too blurry, there's not much that you can do. However, you can clearly notice the differences, and it is absolutely an improvement. So all that you have to do is download Galaxy Enhance apps from the Samsung store, and you will be able to use this feature for free. It is simple to do, it is quick, and you will also have other options related to modifying your image. I hope I was able to help you on how to unblur a picture in S24 Ultra. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.